Yes guys, welcome back to a new video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I'm having a couple of problems with the car. Since I had the actuator changed, I've had a couple of issues, running issues. At first I thought it may have been down to the actuator, but someone on Facebook said that when the car's on idle, if you're up to temperature and all the rest of it, if you unplug the MAF and the engine note doesn't change, then the MAF's basically knackered. If the engine note does change, then your MAF's fine. So I thought, wow, it's easy to do, isn't it? You know, just unplug the electrical connector on the MAF. So I unplugged the electrical connector on the MAF and nothing happened, nothing changed. So I've ordered a new MAF that should be here Monday. Today is Friday. I've also ordered some new hose joiners and a 90-degree elbow for the air filter because mine was a cheap one. It looks rubbish, and because I've cut it down so many times and whatever, it just looks tired, tatty and old. So I've got some ones coming from there. Links to the MAF and the hoses will be in the link. We'll have a link in the description, but for now I'm just going to take you outside and show you what I've done and the fact of it not changing, so you can see for yourselves. So as you can hear, the car is running and the connection is made. Listen to the engine note when I unplug this and it won't change. Plug it back in, still no change. So basically guys, what that means is the air that's going through the filter and supposed to be being read by the MAF sensor isn't being read, and obviously then calculated and everything in the engine, whereas if that was running correctly and the air was being monitored, once you disconnect it, it goes into like not a shutdown mode, but it gets freaked out and doesn't know what's going on. But like I say, because that didn't change the note of the engine, then that's the culprit. So we've got a new one of these come in, and that hose and that hose will be changed at the same time, just because, like I say, that one's all tatty and it looks rubbish. So we'll get a new one of those, and hopefully this will sort the issue out. Right guys, it's been a few days since I picked up the camera. I'm just up at a garage now and I'm about to get a smoke test. Good news is the hoses came and the MAF sensor came. It's genuine Bosch, new one, so don't try and crucify me in the comments because I've gone cheap or whatever, because I haven't. It's genuine Bosch, and as I said in the previous clip, all the links will be in the description. So I'm going to put the camera down because I'm not sure how the garage feels about being filmed and stuff, and whether he's going to want me filming and stuff, but I'll find out. And obviously if you see some smoke testing going on, you know we're good. If not, then I'll pick the camera up when I come out. Last night I fitted the new hose, so you got that hose and obviously that hose, fitted those, and the link will be in the description for those. I've just been and had a smoke test done, and that came back negative, so I am a lot more sure now that the MAF sensor will be at fault, which I've also got in the box in there. Just going to change that over now and hopefully that cures my problem. Okay, so this is the old one, the dead one. It doesn't look or have any differences to the new one, so just install that now. Right, so after putting the new MAF on and obviously turning the car on, it's come up with the SP system's fault, and this little light is up on here. So what I'm going to do, just turn it back on and see if it changes. So there we go. Clear that one because we know, and the code has well, the message has gone from here, and obviously this light has gone from over here. So I'm hoping that means that we're sorted. So I'm going to take it for a little drive and we'll see how we get on. Okay guys, I've just been for a little road test and all seems to be well. Obviously this light's on because I've got the traction control off, and the idle is actually brilliant. It's not even moving, whereas before it would fluctuate slightly, but that's nice and solid now. So that's all good. So there we have it. That's hopefully now, fingers crossed, that problem sorted, and we can start moving on to some better things. I'm sick of chasing problems with this lately. It just seems to be, you try and sort one thing and something else pops up, so you sort that and then something else pops up. But I suppose that's just cars, isn't it? Especially ones that are 14 years old, I think this is, something like that. But again, I've said this in a few videos before. I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers, and I want to put the top 5 in a list here. I say the top 5, the last 5 that subscribed to me. So thank you very much, and really appreciate the support. Keep with me. We've still got some more things coming. So remember, guys, link in the description. Check everything out if you need a MAF sensor or any new hoses, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome back to a bit. I've uploaded a sticker. We're installing. Yes, guys, it's been a. I'm not going to put that. That's my town is, and I don't know why I'm saying all this because it's not going in the video.